was a bit abrupt, wasn't it? Right, we've got one now. It's called Music Sounds Better With You by Stardust. The next selection in our half hour of the 90s is by a band called EMF. It's unbelievable. Now, they were once interviewed on telly and someone asked them what does EMF mean, and I think they said ecstasy money funster or something similar. It was a long time ago and I'm quite old now, so...
You're unbelievable. You're unbelievable. Singly lights don't mean you can ask us. Pushing down the resin, bringing out your high self. Think of the fun time. Pushing down the better view instead of bringing the attitudes to what the world and everything you ask to brace yourself with grace to be. I know this world and what it seems.
It's unbelievable.
You better me with your questions. You haven't tell no lies. You're always asking what it's all about. Don't listen to my replies. You say to me I don't talk enough, but when I do I'm a fool. These times I've spent I've realized you shoot through and leave you. The things you say, your purpose just give you away. The things you say, it's what I love you more. The things you say, your purpose just give you away. The things you say, you're unbelievable. You're so unbelievable. You're unbelievable. You're unbelievable.
Indeedy, that was EMF and Unbelievable. Now the next song, or the last song for this half hour from the 90s, is done by someone called Eni Kamosi, or Eni Kamosi, Tomato, and it's Here Comes the Hot Stepper.
Here come the hot stepper. I'm the lyrical gangster. Big up the crew in the area. Still love you like that. No, we don't die. Yes, we multiply. Anyone press will hear the fat lady sing. Act like you know Rico. I know what Bo don't know. Touch them up and go. Oh, cha-cha-ching-ching. Here come the hot stepper. I'm the lyrical gangster. Excuse me, Mr. Officer. Still